Alright, this is pin bar pullback trading strategy. Let's understand the concept of pin bar. Bullish pin bar. First, let's see the shape of bullish pin bar. So this pin bar, you can see this is the open and price push down toward this level, again push up, and later you can see close somewhere here. Alright, so means close and high is equal to same somewhere here. So most of the people say this is a hammer pattern. Okay, whatever you say, so remember this is a pin bar. And the second, here you can see this is the open, close, this is the low, and this is the high. Have you seen? So we have seen little more body of this candle. Okay, so here also we have seen this is the body of this candle. So third pin bar, we have seen here open, they create low and close and high. Here we have seen three open, high and close, all are same but lower is different, so this is called bullish pin bar. All right, next you can see open, low, high and close. In this pin bar we have seen open and close are same, but somewhere here they create a new high and there is the here is a lower point. So when they are formed this type of pin bar, we say this is a bullish pin bar. Let's say criteria. What criteria we need? First criteria is long lower shadow. So first we have seen when they form this bullish pin bar, they form long lower shadow. Have you seen it? This long lower shadow, long lower shadow. Have you seen it? They are forming a long lower shadow. Next criteria, lower shadow are 2/3 of this range. So if you want to see, this is the range of this candle, this is the entire range, and this is the two part. All right, two portion of this range, and this you can say this shadow. Okay, next bearish pin bar. So it is the opposite of bullish pin bar. Same here, you can see there are 4 type of pin bar, and we need here you can see this candle, but remember color doesn't matter, and we need the shape. So we have seen this is the open, high, and this is the close. All right, so they form this type of shape. So most of the people say hammer pattern. So here you can see open, close, low and high, and in this candle open and close are same area, they form a lower point, and here you can see this is the higher point. And then similarly here open, close and high almost same, and high, low, not high actually, this is the low, and here you can see high. All right, so see the criteria, same criteria like bullish pin bar, long lower shadow, upper shadow are 2/3 of this range. Trading setup, what indicator we are applying? We are applying indicator moving average 5, moving average 10, 20 and 50. We are using for exponential moving average only, and for intraday we are applying 15 minute or 5 minute, which is preferable for you. And we need ADX, and at that time when we are going to use this strategy, at that time ADX should be above 25 level. And before you apply this strategy, you just confirm 2 time frame. Like if you wanna trade in 15 minutes, you just check it 15 minutes and H1 chart. Alright, if both time frame is showing uptrend, we are looking for buy. In both time frame is showing in a downtrend, we are looking for short. So when we are placing buy or sell order, criteria number 1, buy or sell signal occur when EMA 5 EMA cross 10 EMA. So suppose this is a 5 EMA. All right, and then let me change the color. Okay, this is a 10 EMA. All right, they are running like that, and here let's say they are running like that. Okay, this is the 5 EMA and this is the 10 EMA. All right, this is the 10 EMA. Let's say we have seen here is a crossover, right? So 5 cut the 10. After that, we are looking for a pin bar. All right, remember, we are looking for a bullish pin bar right now. So bullish pin bar should cut both moving average. So here you can see this pin bar cut both EMA. So once they cut this both EMA, so remember, tail should cut both EMA 5 and 10. So we place our buy order a little more above this pin bar. Right, next we place our SL. Suppose this is the pin bar. Let's say this is the pin bar like that. We'll place our SL just a little more below this pin bar. Okay, and the target is we are preferring 1:1.5 R. That is our target. Okay, let's see. This is a 15-minute chart, and here we have seen in this area. Have you seen it? Let me zoom a little more in this area. Somewhere here we have seen there is a crossover. Have you seen? Price just gone a little more above, and after that they cut this moving average. All right, so after that we have seen number 1, 2, 3, 4. A fourth number candle, they appear a bearish pin bar. Remember, color doesn't matter. All right, and here you can see all moving averages are arranging sequentially, and means trend is running in a downtrend, and this is a pin bar. This pin bar cut 5 moving averages, 10 moving averages, and 20 moving averages. All of them, they cut this moving average. So once they appear, we place our sell order a little more above, sorry, a little more below, and our SL will be a little more above this pin bar. So where is the pin bar? Here you can see this is a little more, and this is our SL stop loss, and target will be somewhere here 1:1.5 R, or you can say 2 R. All right, 2 R. Okay, that is our target. So let's check it another example. Let me remove this one. Okay, nice. Let's see here. So in a bullish, right now here you can see we have seen price are running an uptrend. First you can see where price cut. Here you can see 5 moving average, which is this one 5 exponential moving average, and this one 20 exponential moving average, and this is a 50 exponential moving average. All are there. All right, arranging sequentially means trend is running an uptrend. So we have seen price gone up and retraced back. So after that we have seen this candle. Have you seen it? This is a bullish pin bar. So everywhere they are forming bullish pin bar. We place our buy order somewhere above, and our SL is somewhere below in this area. So here you can see this is one SL, and here our entry price somewhere here a little more above, and target will be somewhere here 2 R or 1.5 R. So who missed that opportunity, you can see next pin bar are forming. Have you seen it? Let me zoom a little more. Now you can see this one pin bar and another pin bar we have seen somewhere here. Tail just cut that all moving average. Have you seen? Once they appear, we are placing buy order a little more above, and below this candle we are placing SL, and the target will be somewhere here. All right, so that is our target. Now you can see this is the Apollo Hospital, and they are running a downtrend. Somewhere here we have seen, let me show you, 5 moving average cut, 10 moving average somewhere here, and the price is running in a downtrend. All right, so all moving average arranging sequentially. So after that we have seen a bearish pin bar. All right, so in that case we will place our SL here somewhere here, and that will be our SL, and our entry point somewhere here. You can see price just triggered our entry point, and all the way price drop from this area. Let's check it out. In the upside here, you can see price is running an uptrend. So somewhere here, first we have seen pin bar, and then next we have seen somewhere here pin bar and triggered our buy order and price gone up. So third, we have seen another pin bar. We place our buy order somewhere here and SL is somewhere here, and all the way price gone up from this area.